Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover what we're building and why each piece is needed before touching any code. So we'll be adding two features. The first feature is going to be to make the scroll down clickable. Now when I say scroll down, I mean this button over here. Let me go ahead and start the server. Actually, we have the server's already started, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop the server and restart it. So Control C and then npm start to start the server. And when I mean the scroll down, I mean the icon that we have that's smacked in the middle of the website at the bottom in the center right here. So I want to make this icon right here, I want to make it clickable. So basically turn it into a button. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna make the dot scroll down clickable, and obviously when I say dot scroll down, I'm talking about a class from CSS, but it's also a element on the HTML, an HTML element. And if we look for scroll down here, let's look for it in the editor, not in the terminal. Control find scroll down. And this is what I mean by this element over here, which pertains to that icon that I just showed you. So we're gonna make it, we're gonna turn it into a button. We want to make sure that when we click on it, it goes to a specific section in the website. Like when we click on one of these menu items, if I click on tutorials or if I click on projects, it's going to take me down to projects. So that's what we're going to do, because as of right now, it's just there as aesthetics. And it's okay, it looks nice, but I want it to be clickable. So that's what we're going to do. And then the next step we're going to do, or the next feature that we're going to add in this exercise project that we're working on, it's going to be that we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add another icon as such, but in this case it's going to be a scroll to top button. So it's going to be a fixed button that appears after we scroll 300 pixels down, and when we click on the button, it's going to return the user to the top of the page. So that's what we're looking at right now. And the files that we're gonna be touching on or making changes in are the index.html. Let me show you real quick. So it's gonna be the index.html, which is this one over here, and the landing.scss folder file, or if you want to call it CSS file, which is technically a SCSS file. We're going to be making changes in here, and I believe there's one more, and the other one is going to be the app.js, and app.js folder is to hide and show logic and triggers by the scroll positions. So obviously the landing SAS or CSS file is for us to style the scroll to top button. That could be quite a tongue twister. Scroll to top button. Okay, so it's not gonna be as difficult as it sounds, but I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through it, so it shouldn't be such a difficult task for anyone that's interested in developing and programming. This should be a pretty simple concept to get, and then you're going to be able to apply this on your own and any of your websites. I'm pretty sure it's that simple. So there's not much else that I would like to talk about in here. I mean, we could go ahead and I could go ahead and explain to you why we're going to use an anchor tag and not a click listener. So basically it's because of Semantic HTML, It links navigate, button trigger actions. A name anchor href reviews is the simplest and most accessible way to jump to a section. The existing Anchor plugin in app.js already intercepts anchor clicks and handles smooth scrolling, so no extra JavaScript is needed for either features that we're going to go ahead and add click behaviors. So that's about it for now. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and make the scroll down indicator clickable. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.